A change begins within the core, so quiet, deep and true. The body stands as trusted ground for something passing through. What once was claimed as who we are now serves a higher aim. The self that lives beyond all form steps forward, clear by name. The center shifts, the veil grows thin, the higher self takes lead. The body becomes a willing tool for truer inner need. As fleeting poles begin to fade and grasping loosens hold, the soul remembers what it is, eternal, clear and whole. Desire softens, noise falls still, distractions lose their draw. The heart turns toward what does not end and follows deeper law, where value rests in what endures. The inner path aligns. The spiritual self stands firmly placed beyond the reach of time. The center shifts, the veil grows thin, the higher self takes lead. The body becomes a willing tool for truer inner need. As fleeting poles begin to fade and grasping loosens hold, the soul remembers what it is, eternal, clear and whole. The senses open, powers arise, yet none are held as crown. They serve the work of helping life, not lifting self above. When gifts are used with steady care and never claimed as end, they clear the way for deeper truth where unity begins. No power sought, no title claimed, no stopping place remains. The spiritual self moves gently on, beyond all loss or gain. The personal steps back with grace, its task now understood, to serve the light that moves within as vessel clear and good. Detachment